welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and today is a special day. So today is my birthday, so I'm getting ready. I'm going to be putting on some new hair. So I've placed a really big order off of Wigtypes. I think I bought about 18 different wigs and I'm trying to just try them all out just randomly. And today I decided to put on, this is the Perfect Hairline by Outre. I have the model Jaylani, and then the color I'm going to be using is DR6 Champagne Fizz. So this is what it looks like. This is a color, pretty sure I'm going to be trying. I think my lighting might be too bright. Let me see if I can turn it down a bit. Okay, so I'm putting on this hair. I have a new background. I think that's why everything kind of looks a little bit bright, is because the background. Okay, and I use my phone, so I don't know how to adjust like the lighting on my phone if my vanity is on. So here is the hair. I already had taken her out because I was trying to try on a few to figure out which one I wanted to wear today. And so it is like super soft, really soft. It's not even tangling, but you never know, it'll probably tangle later. I actually got this in 3 different colors because I knew I was gonna like her. And this is what the lace is looking like. And let me flip it inside out so you can see. So it already comes with a band, and I'm gonna tighten these straps. I always tighten them to the very middle. I'll use the back comb, but I don't use any side combs if there are any. Yeah, so it has a side comb here and then a side comb here, and then you have all this parting space here. I usually like to wear like a middle part or like a side part. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna toss her on. She already has like some baby hairs here too, so I'll probably just be quiet and speed through as I'm getting her on. I'm gonna cut off the lace, but I'll do that off camera. So I'll come right back. I wanna cut the lace off, and then I also wanna kind of adjust that band. So be right back. All right, so I'm back. I don't have the hair installed. I just kind of cut the lace and put it on to see how it's laying. So this is how it looks like straight out of the package and how it's laying. This is all the hair brought to the front, and this is how long it is. So I really like it. It's definitely extremely soft, and I have my Got2b Insta Hold here, and then I have my Got2b Ultra Glued here so that I can put this on. So I'm not a wig expert. I just kind of do my own little thing to try to get it on the best way I can. So let's go ahead and start getting this wig applied. Alright, so I am back. I had to go off, do my makeup really quick because that's going to be a separate video. And we're going to go ahead and finish off this hair. There's not much to do on this hair just because it already came basically ready right out the package. It already had baby hairs, so I laid my baby hairs. I added, let's add some concealer. So I already have, from when I did my makeup, a little bit of concealer left over on this brush. So I just want it to blend in a little bit better. So I'll just add some concealer here, just like that. And then we're gonna take my hot iron, which I've ordered off of Amazon a few years back. I think I might even have it down in the description box below. I believe it was only $20. And I just use this to kind of lay this down a little bit flatter because this is a straight wig. So she already came out the package like straight, but we want to make sure this is laid down very straight. All right, we'll go ahead and brush her out. Now, there was a little bit of shedding, but the shedding wasn't because of the hair, it's actually because of me. So I cut out these ear tabs here. When I cut them out, it just makes it easier because sometimes when I leave them on and bring them down a little bit, I have a hard time keeping my mask on. So when I cut this piece out from both sides, there was some shedding. But other than that, there's not too much shedding. The hair is extremely soft. I'm not experiencing any tangling yet from the time that I went to go do my hair till now, so that's always good. Let me bring all the hair to the front so that you can see what that looks like. Let me brush this out. All right, now she's all brushed out. And just to kind of give you some more specs on the hair, this is the Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Jaylani. I have the color DR6 Champagne Fizz. So you see she's meant to be straight. I'm sure you can put a curl in her because it does say high-tech, heat safe or heat resistant up to 400 degrees. I don't know how hot my comb just was, but I have it on the max, which is 20. And it was just fine. It also had the faux scalp, so when you saw me flip it inside out, it had that faux scalp, which had like a double layer of mesh. The last one that I had like that, which I wore in the video where I did the simple holiday glam look, I cut out that second layer of mesh. And this one I left it in, which is why I wanted to add a little bit to blend in the scalp part a little bit better. I left it in on this one just to kind of see if it looks any different. With the other one, when I took the extra mesh out, it just kind of blended in a little bit better. Like you can see underneath like my wig cap, which was a brown wig cap, and I had some foundation on it. So I didn't really feel the need to blend this in with concealer on that one. And this is a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig. So these synthetic wigs are starting to be just as good as, you know, real human hair wigs. So I'm gonna keep purchasing and spending all my money on these synthetic wigs because you can definitely get more variety. You definitely get more for your money because I think that this wig was $40 around there. So go ahead and check it out on Wigtypes. I'll leave the link down below in case you want to check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. Give the video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, or if you like this hair and this hair color on me, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and then leave a comment down below for some more hair recommendations if you shop on Wigtypes, or even I think there's another one, Ebony Online or something like that. But you know, the other wig websites, just let me know some good wig styles. I might already have them because I do have about 16-17 other boxes in there I haven't tried yet, but I'm always open to buy new wigs because I like to look good, because when you look good you feel good. So thanks for watching.